Okay, everyone, here we are. I'm underneath the Ford Maverick Hybrid XLT 2022, and I'm ready to do an oil change at 2,000 miles. I think 2,200 miles I have on her. Anyway, just looking around the bottom, and you can see the way she's built. Nice aluminum arms, little control arms, big piston brakes. Anyway, I got the small bolts off the bottom here. I loosen them up. There's a splash plate down here. 15 screws in the bottom. Anyway, I got most of them out. There's one. There's one. And one up here, one up front. I'm doing the best I can. And let me put down the camera. Also, let me start the GoPro. That I want to do. See which one comes out better. Okay, here we are underneath the Maverick. I'm doing a GoPro video too. I got the phone going and a GoPro. I figured do both formats. Anyway, got all the little T30 Torx screws out of the bottom, the splash plate down here, and I'm ready to open up the splash plate. So there's 15 of those that have to come out. And I think I'm missing one. Nope, just held in. Let me get that out of the way. Now we can see under the car. Okay, so here's the engine, here's the drain plug. Here's the transmission. Wow, it's all aluminum. Here's this tiny oil filter. Okay, let me show you guys. There's a tiny oil filter put on by the factory. So that's got to come off. And of course the drain plug on the bottom. Let's see if I can adjust this a little better. Yeah, there's constant clicks. Drain plug. Okay, I think it's a 17. I do believe, or a 14. Okay, I brought the wrench. Look how tiny that is. I brought the wrench for that one. Let's see what size it is. 14. Oh, 17. I must have a 15 millimeter upstairs. Oh well. Looks like I'm going to do this video in 2 parts. Anyway, drain the oil here. Oil filter comes off here. And you refill it. But that's basically so simple. T30 with all those screws. The 15 screws. That's it. 5 quarts, 5.5 quarts of 0.20. So anyway, folks, I'm going to drop the oil. I'm going to do another part, and I'll let you know how I do.